Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with a GitHub repo and an existing Firebase project. This is non-negotiable. First, install the Firebase CLI locally so you can generate credentials. Run npm install g Firebase tools and Firebase login, SCI to get a token. Once done, add that token to GitHub as a repository secret named Firebase token. Make sure your repo has a build step defined, since Actions will run it. These steps create the secure bridge that GitHub Actions will use to talk to Firebase. Next, you create a GitHub Actions workflow file in GitHub/workflows/Firebase deploy. IML to tie everything together. Start with Actions/checkout and setup node, then install dependencies and run your build script so artifacts are ready. After the build step, authenticate using the Firebase token secret in an environment variable, then run Firebase deploy only hosting or other targets using Firebase tools. Make sure the workflow triggers on push to the branch you intend to publish, so automation happens without manual. Finally, push a change to the branch configured to trigger the workflow and watch Actions run. You should see build then deploy steps. If it completes, your site is live. If not, check the Actions logs immediately. Common issues are an expired or misnamed Firebase token, wrong project ID in Firebase, JSON or mismatched Firebase tools versions. Update the CLI and regenerate the token when needed. For detailed failures, rerun the deploy with Firebase deploy debug to get actionable error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.